guys! Welcome back. This is Macy, and for today's video, today ay nandito ako sa Airbnb ko and dito muna ako mag-rest. This is a condo unit nearby Pasay. Mas malapit lang sa hospital because tomorrow will be our summer outing with the ORC family. So, samahan nyo kami and papakita ko sa inyo guys tomorrow. Kailangan kong mag-sign ng umaga kasi 6 a.m. aalis na yung bus. And we are going to Zambales. Maybe 5 to 6 hours of drive. And so, mukhang matutulog din ako sa bus. Pero it will be exciting because it's a 2 days summer outing. So, yun, natapahan na naman ako dito. For now, I'll give you guys a little bit of tour to my Airbnb. So, I'll show you the guys. Pasok mo ng pinto, bubungan agad sa'yo yung kitchen. So, here's the kitchen. And then, here is the bathroom. And this is the living room na. Ito yung may TV. And this is the living room. And then, across the living room, here's the bedroom na. Yeah, so this is my bedroom for tonight. I decided to book an Airbnb na lang near the hospital para bukas pag nag-prepare ako, it's super easy na lang to go to the hospital. That's why I am here. Samahan nyo kami. Without further ado, let's go. Hey guys, I'm back. So, kagigising ko lang from nap. And ngayon pupunta tayo sa beach para ipakita ko sa inyo guys. We're going to have a little bit of photo shoot and also ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view and yung beach dito sa Zambales. So, without further ado, let's go. Guys, ito ang another setup naman here. May sarili silang ano. Ayan, hi kayo guys. Ayan. Hello!
Kasi kayo dito sa resort ko.
Wow! Motolang sa bus. Ayan. Very chill sila. So guys, pupunta tayo sa beach kasama yung iba. So let's go. Papakita namin sa inyo guys yung itsura ng beach. Sabi natin si tapos ang ating beautiful cameraman, pakita nga natin yan. Ayan, say hi Ma'am Mira. Hello. O, diba? Sobrang tagal lang ng biyahe namin. Parang almost 5 hours, 6 hours ba? 6 hours, no? 6 hours.
Tayo.
Tayo. Pero worth it. Yung nakita namin view kanina, parang at naman tapos ng hindi pwede masyadong maligo kasi delikado lalo na kung welcome to the beach!
Guys! Hi! Kawain sa aking vlog! Yan ang pinakamaganda ng ka talaga inalimutan. Tinutok talaga.
Hey guys! So ngayon, gabi na and kakatapos ko lang ng shower. I'm filming and at the same time I'm also editing the videos for this vlog right now. So papakita ko sa inyo guys. I'll show it to you guys. So ayan. So ito lang muna ginagawa ko for now. Mamaya we'll wait for the dinner. Pero ipapakita ko na rin sa inyo guys kung ano yung ginagawa nila sa labas.
Yabong, mabango ka yabong?
Kaya kaway! Wow, party! Ata video!
Ayan ang ating ulam for dinner. Ito. Sinigang.
Guys, dinner time. Parang lahat natin ng ulam kinuha ko. Sinigang. Wala makikita. Sinigang. Chicken with mushroom. Luto ng mga kuya. Lechon. Kalusuan. Parang lahat natin ng ulam kinuha ko lang. Try na. Right guys. Yep. Enjoy ko naman.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's our second day here in Zambales. Kagigising ko lang. And ngayon umuulan, papakita ko sa inyo yung view sa labas. Ayan, it's 6 in the morning and umuulan, lakas ng ulan. Tignan nyo yung langit guys. So darky. And bundok there.
Sayang to din! Hi! Wow! Swimming! Hi, ma'am! Sir Warren! So, ngayon, pupunta tayo sa kitchen. Let's see kung ano ang ganap ng mga kuya. Sobrang maulan, guys, ngayong morning. Second day namin here. Hi, everyone. Good morning po. Ay, busy. Hi. Wow. Ano ang ating menu for today? Lechong paksiw.
Lechong paksiw, lulaga.
Nilaga na hindi pa nakakasama. Tapos nagluluto si Ma'am Sarah ng
Breakfast.
scrambled egg. Scrambled egg na may tomatoes.
May itim.
Hi guys! Hi, good morning, good morning. Hello! Ayan. That's it for a vlog. Kung gusto pa kayong videos, just comment down below. Give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Bye!